Jamaica,
Two members of the
Rasta,
Rastafarian community are taking the St. Mary police
Mary.
to task this evening after over 600 pounds of ganja were seized and destroyed in Highgate in the parish on Saturday. The Rastafarian said the ganja was for sacramental purposes. Details in this report.
This is the ganja farm in Highgate St. Mary where the raid went down on Saturday afternoon. The operators of the House of Kush Cannabis Farm, members of the Rastafarian community, said they recently reaped the herb.
The police came on site around 3 o'clock. We were immediately arrested and we were handcuffed. The officers came in, they started to search the premises. They found cannabis on site. To be precise, it was sacramental cannabis. We are cultivators of sacramental cannabis, authorized by the Church of Haile Selassie.
Silveretta Bunting said she presented the documents to the police, however they were not having it. After about an hour, she and her partner were being ushered into the police service vehicle.
However, they claimed that the documents presented were faked. Our phones were seized, we were unable to make contact. They insisted on asking for requirements based on CLA regulations. We were explaining to them that we are not governed by the CLA, we are governed by another body.
They were later released, each with a $400,000 bail bond.
The Abuna will tell them that they're getting things from inside the parliament, which them start to laugh and say, the Abuna are foolish because which him going to parliament and fight people, but they're not trying to understand enough. And then know him get permit from the Ministry of Justice, but they don't got to think one side. They don't say, if this man is a scammer, Rasta have to be careful because this man can be a scammer. So I said to them, say, if this man is a scammer, we're going to go prison lie down, because I believe in them.
Under the Dangerous Drugs Act of 2015, persons 18 years or older who are adherents to the Rastafarian faith or Rastafarian organizations may apply for authorization to cultivate ganja for religious purposes. And the ganja should not be sold, exported or smoked in places outside the religious compound. However, persons would need authorization from the Justice Ministry. This document in 2023 showed a select group of religious organizations which were gazetted by law to cultivate ganja for sacramental purposes. But the Church of Haile Selassie, located in Kingston, was not listed on it. However, according to Ms. Bunting, the church got authorization from 2013. It is still not clear how the church would give authorization to the House of Kush Cannabis Farm.